Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it is your boy Shades here. Yep, I got the gaming chair finally here. I don't even game, but I got the gaming chair. It doesn't make sense. And I got the casino. You know, I'm at a casino right now, just for some reason, with a mic and a gaming chair. But no, seriously, I'm looking at DJT. DJT, we're going into election day, and we are seeing DJT, the Trump stock, whatever you want to call it, Trump Media and Technology, absolutely skyrocketing on huge and increasing volume day over day. So what I'm watching for here is this level right here, because it gapped up to $55. So right now it's actually sitting right just below that level. If we can break out above this big level here, $56, 56 to 58, if we can go above this and hold above it, with some volume, if we get even more volume than yesterday, we can break past this and go to 80. That's the play right here. Whether you play calls or shares, that's up to you. I might buy some shares to play it, fully expecting to take the loss though. But that is the play there. That is a big level coming up. We've tested that level 1, 2. We actually broke above it with the one time we did. Boy, did we run. Boy, the one time did we run or not? That one time we actually got up above that level. We did. Then we came down just as quickly, and then touched it a couple more times, came down, and then it got nice and cheap here at 11.75 before we got into this massive tear. Been on a massive tear. If history is anything to go by, we should, I'm not going to say we're going to break out, but we are right at that level, right? So today's going to be important. If we can break out today, that'd be great. If not, we're going to pull back. People are going to sell. We would expect selling pressure to step in here. And the reason for that is because that's where we see selling pressure every single time. That's where we get pushed down. So just be careful chasing. Be careful. If you're chasing, be careful. If you want to take some profit, I mean, that's the level. That's where a bunch of people take profit. But if buyers continue to buy the dip, then we'll see it pull back, followed by buyers pushing it right to 60. And then we break out to 70 and then 80. If that happens, I mean, you're going to make a lot of money on calls for sure. But you got to keep a close eye on this one. I'm watching it. Again, I might buy some on dips. A few shares. I'm not going to go crazy. Part of risk management is not putting the house on it. That's for sure. Hey, guys, I'm going to bet the house on this. Yeah, good luck. The one time you're wrong, you lose everything. So, or you hold a big bag all the way down. Either or sucks. I promise you it sucks. I've been there. So 56. Let's look at the smaller time frames here. Yeah, 56, 58. Those are the big levels. For dip buying, boy, I don't know where we would buy. Where would we buy the dip? I'm looking at the. Oh man, look at that. I mean, this is your dip right here. How much of a dip did we get here? $6 dip. I mean, we might pull back to $50. That might be like, you know what? That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking 50, because 50 is a nice big round number. You know how people love big round numbers. Yeah, you can see this is the level where we get pushed down, where we get selling pressure, and you can tell by that red candle there's your selling pressure coming in. So that's why I'm going to play it cautious. I'm going to wait to see if it comes down to 50. And I'm going to keep an eye on my 3-minute as well to see if there's an opportunity somewhere. But you need to see buyers step in today. Yeah, I don't know exactly. Some people are saying that if Trump wins, it's going to go to the moon. That's also I think that's part of the reason why people are buying and holding. The only way you get this kind of price action here, where it just keeps going up day after day, it's because there's enough people that are buying and holding the stock. They're buying it and holding it because they believe it's worth so much more. And if there's enough of them, we just keep going up. And when it dips, people step in and buy the dip. So we just continue to have this price action where we just continue to go higher and higher. So I'm bullish until election day. Then we're gonna find out what's gonna happen after the fact, because we don't know. Nobody knows. Some people are gonna tell you, oh, election, if Trump wins, we're gonna go to the moon. If Trump loses, we're gonna dump, whatever. We don't know how the market's gonna react. As far, maybe everything's being priced in right now with the way we've been moving. I mean, who knows? Nobody knows. That's the beauty. You can take your bets, but I'm gonna take it easy, relax. I'm just sitting back. I'm just watching Bitcoin because that one's headed to 100,000 supposedly. It just broke out of. It's going into a bull market, so if that starts running, we're gonna see Bitcoin miners run too. So there's money to be made on those. But as you can see in pre-market right now, let me switch over to the charts. In pre-market right now, we're pulling back to $53. So that's what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna watch for 50. Good. We're gonna get a volatile move down at open. I bet that's happened every single time. I'm sure. Let me pull back to the 5 minute. Yeah, we pull back a couple dollars and then we start running. Pull back a couple dollars, we start running. Oh, here we pulled back from 34 to 30. Yeah, pull back a couple dollars. So you see right at open, we pull back like a dollar or two. Then we continue. We continue to skyrocket. Look at that. It's so clear and obvious, right? When you look back, it drops a dollar or two and then it continues higher. You look at the open of this stock, and it always pulls back like a dollar or two, and then continues its run. So that's why I'm saying, like, let's wait till after hours. I mean, not after hours. Let's wait until market open, and it's in our market opens in 10 minutes, by the way. So $53. If it's gonna pull back a couple more dollars, we'll see it come down to around 50, 51. So that's my target. That's what I'm watching for. It's on you. By the time you watch this video, though, it's probably already been. It's probably already 2 o'clock because I'm going to schedule this for 2 o'clock. So we'll find out if I was right or wrong. But I will be looking to buy at 50, 51. Unless it just breaks down. Like if it touches 50 and it just keeps going. If we just get a bunch of red bars. If we pull back very, very with a lot of strength. I'm not jumping in. You want to see buyers step in at around 50. If not, if we just get big red bars going into 50, that's the... I'm not touching it, because that could be the start of us coming down a lot. We've seen this come down to $11, right? We know how volatile this is. It's volatile when it jumps up to $60, pulls back to 23, jumps to 55, pulls back to 11. So very volatile. You don't want to be the one caught on the wrong side of this. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you're watching this at 2 o'clock, then, keep an eye on that breakout above this big level here. Because that's where you're going to make the most money, right? If we break out here, that's a $20 move we can make to the upside. So, there you go.